This is a 62 plate Mini Cooper. She's in, I think it's midnight black. Let me show you around. She's just arrived with us. We just have a Mini going out on a test drive, which is just there. She's just going out to see what she thinks. So, clean and tidy. We've not done a valet yet, so she's done a couple of 100 miles to get to us. Pretty little alloy wheels. Clear indicator lenses, black wing mirror covers, chrome door handles, and that's the rear alloy wheel. Just going to pop down here so you can see tyre tread, which is good all round. As I said, she is a Cooper. I'm just going to show you in the boot. Nothing much to write home about there. All clean and tidy. Backs of the seats are all good. That is the tyre tread on the rear driver's side. Clean lines down the side. Small car park ding down there, but the dent man's coming tomorrow, so we'll get that out. Let me just show you inside. So she has got the chili pack. Those are her rear seats with a half leather. And that is the front passenger seat. And this is the driver's seat. Bolster's all good. That's often where you get a lot of wear, but that's all good. Multifunction steering wheel. I am just going to step in and put the seat back a bit. So that's your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control, etc. I've got one key here, but she is a 2-key car. I've just given another key to the mechanic so we can pick her up later. Just need to put my foot on the clutch to start her. Okay, so here we go over here. So you can see she has got the Bluetooth, and this side she's got the aux and the USB connection, etc. Coming down here, she's got her aircon. Turn that off so it's less noise. Let's turn the fan down, less noise. You can see she has got the USB and the aux connection down there. She is 6 forward speeds, 1 reverse. Had to think about that. Up here you've got the extra glove box, which is just in there. And in here you would normally have full book pack. We have got the full book pack. She's just not with the car at the minute. She's only just come in, so that's gone into the office. She has got the centre armrest, which is an optional extra. She also, I don't know if you can see just here, she's got the rain sensing wipers. And I don't know if you can see, but she has got the wavy lines in her windscreen. So she has got heated screen as well. Just looking here, she's done 45,000 miles. I'm just going to show you through her service indicator if I can. Oh, missed it. It's me not concentrating. There we go. Here we go, service indicator. Right. So she is 10:21 before she needs brake fluid, 02:22 before she needs an MOT, 16,000 miles or 12:22 before she needs an oil change, 36,000 or 12:24 before she needs a major inspection, 17,000 miles on her front brake pads left, and 25,000 on the rear. So she is all good to go, but we will put her into our mechanics for a check before she goes out, as we do with all of our Minis. So there you have her. Roof is all good. Pretty little Mini actually. Nicely balanced with her wheels and the tinted glass at the back. So more details will be on our website, which is mrsmini.co.uk. And if you'd like to see her in the flesh, just give me a call. I'm on my mobile 07540 29 22 22. And thanks for watching.